Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I am discuss about Buildfast Lifetime Deal. Buildfast is a no-code blog building platform designed to simplify the process of creating professional blog for user without any technical skill. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced marketer, Buildfast Institute drag and drop interface and user-friendly solution will help you create a stunning blog in minutes, helping you drive more sales in business, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing. If you are a author, bloggers, content creators, this tool is for you and the best alternative to WordPress. You will get all the features including here and the appsumo deals features here. If you purchase the plan one-time purchase of $49, which you will get one custom domain and SSL 100 blogs, articles, 100 AI requests per month, basic search for articles. You can see the plan to one-time purchase of $149, which you will get 15 custom domains and SSL 1500 blogs, article, 1500 AI requires per month, full text speech for articles, and plan 3 one-time purchase of $249, which you will get 50 custom domains and SSL 5000 blog articles, 5000 AI require per month, full text search for articles. Also plan 4, 5, 6 are available in this deal. You can choose as per your preference. And I am sharing with you a detailed blog which I published recent on my website. As you can see here, Buildfast review best one-code blog builder for $49 only, and how it works, the features, all everything I written here. So if you want to turn your nation page into a professional blog in minutes without coding, this tool is for you. It's a paid tool. Now we will know about the price of the product on the main website of Buildfast. Buildfast main website price starting $39 month, professional $79, and business $99 month. So you can buy also from appsumo, because appsumo offer is up to 90% off and $49 with uptime access, with an overall rating of 4.9 from 26 reviews and 60 days money back guarantees. And you are a new user, you can also get 10% discount. I will give you an affiliate link on my video description. You can use this link, you can get those discount. I think you got an informative from this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you again in the next video. Thank you.